I can show you the way that if string by hand, how to do if you don't have this tool. First way I show you if you don't have this tool, but you have a lot of seed beads in 2mm. 2mm or 1.5. I use these beads, but I'm not use the tool first. You can just put it on a mat, so that the beads not drop away everywhere. Okay, then next, here we are going to start to string the beads, but you don't need to cut it from the wire for now. You just string it. You don't need to cut the wire from the rear. Okay, so how to string it fast? Actually, this way you can even watch TV. Your eyes not must be to string the beads. You can watch TV and string the beads together. Okay, so you just do like this. It's fast. Just if you are only a little bit beads, it maybe will be difficult. But if you have the beads about here, yeah, a bottle, then so you don't need to sit. Just watch TV, listen some music, talk with some, chat with someone, and your hand just do it like this. This is the way we do it in the jewelry factory. Jewelry factory, they are not only use one wire, they use 10 pieces of the needle or 20 pieces of the needle, then they do it 20 needle or 10 piece needle together like this. Very fast the worker do it. And here we are do just one. We are not make the production, so just like this. This actually is similar like you use a tool machine. It's not slow. You see. Got it? You see. And you can fast string it by, if you have a lot of the seed beads, you can do this way. Don't need to do like this one by one, and your eyes tired. Okay, so just close your eyes to do it. Yeah, don't need to see, just talk and watch TV, listen music. Then you can see I fast finish here. Yeah, it's a tips. Yeah, very small beads. Here is about 1.5 millimeter the size. So not everyone have the machine tool at home, so you can use this way. If anyone want to check out, you can ask Tuto now, because my live will be end in 15 minutes. Yeah, my live will be end in 15 minutes. If you want to check out, you can type 999. Today live go end early. Yeah. See. What size the seed beads? It's about 1 or 1.5. TNDR need a total. Yeah, 1 or 1.5. The size is here. The size of these beads is this one. The size, this is the size. Yeah, the size is this. Okay, so here is the way that I show you by hand. Yeah, by hand you see it's not slow. I already string so many, just the way. And I show you another way that we always use by this tool. Okay, by the tool. Okay, by the tool is here. Are you going to have more scarf supplies this week? You want more fabric, the same color or more other style? Yeah. You want other styles or the style you didn't see it last week? For now, I'm not. This week is still in search. Okay, then let's see the piece that if we are doing from here. This is the way. Okay. Yes, this way can be more faster. Okay. We make the scarf necklace like a little bit more. Oh, cute. I wish I would have seen it. Let's see it in maybe in this week later. Yeah, in this week I have maybe one day to shoot here. Then how to wrap it? This one just wrap a part of the beads, and this one we can wrap all around. Here first also to wrap it here the beginning by the copper wire here like this here. Then how to make it with the beads is still here. I'm not cut the wire. Okay, then you start to wrap it. Don't need to use your you don't need to wrap by the beads. You wrap it by here in this way. Twist the piece of the beads first, the beginning. Wrap a little bit like this. Then you twist. This is the tips that you don't need to use the wire. Then wrap it here this way. Wrap this way is slow, and here the fast way is the tips here I show you. Okay, you just need to twist. Let's see if I do it by my other hand here. Now here, after you wrap, this part will be loose. You don't worry, because after we at the last step we can adjust it. Okay, here. Let's see. Twist, twist, twist. And here, even it loose, don't worry. So got the way, that's how we wrap it. You twist it, but not wrap. Twist, twist by one hand, then it can be finish it easy and faster. You can try, yeah. Not so much harder as we thinking. Wrap it first like this, and here even this side be loose, it doesn't matter. Here, this way. You can tight it. You just use this way to tight. And we need more beads. Okay, the last. Okay, then we just need to adjust it from the beginning, make it tight. Here, here, here. Tight it. Tight. Tight. Okay. Here still need a little bit of beads more, then we can string it. Okay, then we can stop. Beads machine. You can order from web shop GG here. SPINNER. 26. Yeah, $26 here. With 1, 2, 3, 3 ball, and you can use 3 different color. Total 1, 2, 3. Here is the things that you will received. Okay. Each time I finish the end, why I need a glue here? Because if you not use the glue to stop it here, it will be it move. But if you are glue it here after it dry, it's not move anymore. Okay. It's stop move. Cannot use super glue here. This glue is help the wire not move. Okay, so the earring finish. This is the same way that you can use it to make a bangle. Yeah, a bangle. Use the different color you like. This bead spaniel, if a little bit beads is a little bit hard to string, so you need the beads not too much little. It's need some quantity of the base so that it can be string easy. Yeah. Okay, so here we just finish. Yeah, we finish our live streaming today. This is the tutorial that we make this one, and this one, and another flower earring. So here, yeah. Okay, so let's see you tomorrow.